Hi, Kelly here from Cochrane Toyota. We're located at 8 River Heights Drive, Cochrane, Alberta. And today I've got a 2020 TRD off-road to show you, but this one is a KR Pro. This thing is incredible off-road truck. And I'll see if I can do it justice with this video.
All right, now this thing is just off the charts incredible. This truck is gonna have almost everything you can imagine for off-roading on it, right down to where you can put your refrigerator in the back and the whole entire works. This thing is an incredible truck. There's a reason why we've teamed up with Crave. These guys just know how to build an overlanding truck. So let's start off with the front end of this guy. First thing you're gonna notice is these high approach angle front bumpers. These things are awesome. I'm not gonna stumble all the way through the names of these guys. We'll attach a list to make sure you can see what they all are, because I think the key is not just what they are, is what these things are functional for. Like these dual channel front suspensions where you can adjust it to make sure that you're either on-road or off-road safe and ride comfort. I mean, they're thinking ride comfort in an off-road vehicle. It's just incredible. These Elka suspensions are just incredible. I've had a chance to drive one of these things. They're just an amazing rig. And then they've got 35-inch Geolanders on this guy. Look at those things. They just squish right in there. Just an amazing looking rig. The big bushwhacker flares, and yes, that is a functional snorkel. So as the Toyota one is just an air intake, this is a functional snorkel. We got light bars all over this guy. So up there we got the high approach angle ones, and then we've got these front floodlights as well. Then you've got your factory 55 winch right there. That thing is just an incredible winch. And again, those bumpers are just awesome. I like the way they tuck right in there. So if you look from the side, they just tuck right where they should be, and then give you all sorts of room to be able to touch. Look at how high of an angle that you have right there. That thing, I mean, you can almost go up a wall. Pretty incredible. The rock sliders on these guys are angled up, so make sure that you get the best possible protection, and then it will slide the rock right out past the tire here. Jumping in the back as well, the suspension in the back is just as impressive. They got a large remote reservoir, and then again an upgraded leaf pack in the back. Let me just get in there and get a shot of that. Let's look at that thing. That thing is just robust and full. They even did a snorkel kit from the differential here all the way out, so that you don't have to worry about any seepage into that guy. So it's pretty awesome. They've upgraded these things here. You look at the site to see the exact specifications to make sure you're getting your best possible usage out of it. Jump in, and of course they got a pretty awesome badge in there. There's one underneath the hood I'll show you as well. They've got a Treeline Outdoors Four Seasons tent on this guy as well. Pretty awesome. And then this rack, let me take a peek at this thing. That's a pretty awesome custom rack for this guy. You can pretty much fit anything you need underneath it. And then I'll show you on the side, it's the perfect height as well. This guy's got a remote control. So this thing will hook up to your Bluetooth, your phone, give you USB chargers right there, a 12 volt, and then the power on and off, and the full voltmeter. So that will allow you to do refrigerators or whatever it is you need while you're out in the bush. And they've also put a deep cycle battery into this thing. So I'll show you that as well when we go into the hood. But take a peek at that line there. They've got that thing dialed right in so that you have a really nice aerodynamic top line there. With the Prinsu roof rack, you're just gonna make sure that you're keeping the noise to a minimum while you're down on the highway. Just overall great looking truck. I mean, take a peek at this stance. Let me step back here. What an incredible rig. They really nailed this thing. And of course, this thing does have the standard Toyota off-road equipment as well. So your radar adaptive cruise controls right there. That's gonna keep you tucked into traffic without having to adjust your speed all over the place. You've also got your anti-collision camera up there. That's also looking for lines. So it's gonna give you your basically built-in rumble strips. That's an awesome little deal right there. Plus your high beams are gonna be, the automatic high beams are gonna work from that as well. We'll jump into the truck, show you a couple more things these guys did. So first off, you're gonna notice this custom panel here. They're gonna put some badging on there so you know exactly what each of those buttons do. But the nice thing about this guy is this is a Bluetooth right to your phone. You can use the app and actually use this whole entire thing for all the lights and everything they've got around here. This thing is a really nice upgrade. And of course, your standard Toyota bits right there. This guy is gonna have your automatic doors, locks, power windows, and of course the lockout buttons to keep the jerks from messing with in the back, especially if you're off-roading this guy, doing all the dust in there. Your power mirrors as well. And again, the 2020 does come with the power seats. So jumping inside the standard off-road, they're pretty awesome. Leather wrap steering wheel with a little groove in the back, and then again that molded piece to really hold on nice. If you're good for off-road, this guy, you're gonna need that grip on this thing, and it is amazing steering wheel in this. This is a telescoping steering wheel, so it comes back and up and down depending on where you want to go with it. On this side, you're gonna have your Bluetooth functions right there, so your phone, your music, the whole entire works. My voice command's all there. I can pick up, hang up my phone from that side. And on this guy right here, I've got my radar adaptive cruise control, my lane departure right there, course cruise control settings right there, and this is going to be for this function in the center. So with the push button start, I can hit this guy and take a peek at some of the functions in here. So again, really nice setup. And with the off-road, you're gonna have a couple really nice little functions. This guy, where is it? Let me see if I can find it for you. Digital speedometer right there for you. Fuel economy on the guy. Your trip timer, I can set that up right there. On this guy, I'm gonna have my music so I can actually go through the different stations right there. I gotta go down here. I'm gonna have my tire pressure set up right there. And then this guy right here is your, where is it? Right there. So you're off-roading. Let me get a little closer there so you can actually see that. I'm gonna go this way. What that is pitch and roll. It's going to allow you to see where you are on that vehicle. So again, being an off-road specialist, that's going to be a really nice little function there for you. Inside in this guy, there's going to be a few different things. The navigation system is just one touch away. Really nice. And again, the voice command works really well on this guy as well. Backup camera on here. It's a really nice wide angle. You see bumper tip to bumper tip there for you. And those custom bumpers just look awesome. So again, at the end of the day, just a good looking all around head unit there. Inside here, of course, you're going to have your electric rear window, more USB ports there, heated seats for this guy, and then dual climate control. Your off-road functions right here, you just literally switch them like that. You can put them in a four-wheel low when you got it in neutral. So again, nice options right there. Heated mirrors. Extra little buttons down here for traction control and the whole entire works. But awesome little spot. Cup holders, of course, all the way through. And one of the things with the off-road is you do have your locking rear differential right here. So you pop that in, you got your crawl control modes that you can adjust your suspension to make sure you're good to go right there. But overall, these guys are just awesome trucks. And this one especially is off the chart. This is a whole nother thing. There's your winch control right there, and you've got some extra pulleys in there and the whole entire works. They've really set you up with this guy with the Crave system. I'll jump out and show you a couple of things on the underneath the hood that they've added to this as well. Underneath here, we're gonna go like this. First off, they've got the support rods there. That should just be a factory piece, but they've added it in because it's a really nice touch. You don't need to worry about this little guide rod anymore. They've also added a deep cycle battery in here. This is a nice thing because again, you're off-roading or anything you're going to be doing, this is going to be much more robust. You don't have to worry about that battery acid spilling or anything like that. Just an amazing round upgrade. So again, just for all the extra equipment on here, they really went to bat and put a component that works. That's one of the things you're going to notice with Crave is they don't mess around. They build exactly what it should be. If it needs it, they're going to put it in there. These guys aren't your everyday builder. These guys are definitely your best overall overland truck. So again, anyways, so this thing's going to be at Crave. So if you want to take a peek at it, fly by their shop. This is an amazing rig. Or if you want to have any more information, check it out online.